Power for your project or camping, 2,500 starting watt and 1,900 running watt. Suitable for handling multiple power tools and powering essentials around the RV, ultra lightweight. Easily take this 39-pound inverter wherever you need extra power. Super quiet, operating as low as 52 dBA, which is almost less than the sound of an average conversation. Quiet power for your next camping trip. Power panel includes 2x 3-prong 120V 15-amp AC output receptacles, 1x 12V DC outlets, 2x 5V USB ports, and low oil shutdown, economy mode and overload protection. Parallel ready. Optional parallel kit enables to connect with another 2,500 watt PowerSmart inverter to double your output power. Clean inverter technology provides clean, stable power for sensitive electronics, tools and appliances with clean power, less than 1.2% THD. Ideal for outdoor camping, RV preparation and home backup. Great for campers seeking a portable generator with a high-quality, user-friendly control panel design. Gasoline engine, 79 cubic centimeters 4-stroke OHV engine with recoil start, pull to start the generator. Compact size. The dimension of the power generator is 19.1 foot, length x 13.4, width x 20.1, height. Customer ratings by feature, easy to use. 5.0 star, portability, 4.5 star, lightweight, 4.3 star, noise level, 4.3 star.